Welcome. If you're looking for a way to stop receiving pesky notifications for a specific group post on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide that works perfectly with the latest Facebook update on your PC. Let's help you regain control over your notifications, so you only see what matters most to you. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you're managing the correct page. The Facebook layout may have changed recently, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step. Next, navigate to the group post on your page for which you want to disable notifications. You can either find this post right on your timeline, or if it's buried, use the search bar or scroll through your recent activity until you see it. Take your time so you're sure you've selected the exact post, causing those repeated alerts. Once you've found the post, look for the three little dots in the upper right corner of the post box. This icon is your gateway to more options. Click on it to reveal a menu packed with settings and features. From the drop-down menu, locate the option that says Turn off notifications for this post. Go ahead and click on it. With just this single click, you've disabled notifications for that particular group post. You'll no longer get alerts every time someone interacts with it, freeing up your feed and your focus for more important updates. That's it. In just a few easy steps, you've taken control and silenced notifications from a specific group post on your page using the Facebook app on your PC. No more needless interruptions, just the notifications you actually care about. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tips on simplifying your social media experience. Thanks for tuning in.